Hello, future civil servants. Welcome to the channel. If you are looking to start your UPSC journey and wondering how to make the most of the next 12 months, well, you have come to the right place. Today, I'll be sharing and revealing a complete 1 year preparation plan for UPSC to help you stay on track, focused, and most importantly, organized and achieve your UPSC dreams. Remember, this is the plan which I've prepared for 1 full year, but it is quite flexible and you can tweak it according to your current preparation levels, your areas of strengths, weaknesses, and also how much time you have for the exam, etc. So let's dive straight into it. All right, let's kick off with quarter one, which spans from June to August. So June is the month when most of the students graduate from their colleges, and during this period you should build a strong foundation. The basics are everything. In these first 3 months, the goal is to get familiar with the UPSC exam, its syllabus, and also start working through the NCERT books. If you are new to the UPSC, then trust me, NCERTs are your best friends. Focus on subjects like history, geography, polity, and economics, all covered in the NCERTs from classes 6 to 12th. So NCERT books of classes 6 to 9th will actually build your foundation, and 9th onwards are more relevant from UPSC exam perspective. Make sure to read them thoroughly and don't rush. Take your time, understand the core concepts. Also, aim to read them twice, the first time for your understanding and the second time for revision. Remember that these are the building blocks of your preparation. Also, along with your NCERTs, you should start reading the newspaper daily. Yes, I mean it. This will actually give you a grip on current affairs, which is a huge part of the exam. But don't worry, you don't have to spend hours on it. Just 1 to 1.5 hours every morning should be more than sufficient. Also, don't forget to make notes from the newspaper. This will be a lifesaver during your revisions later, because you would be saving a lot of times going through your notes instead of referring to the newspapers and books again, which is actually very much time consuming. So just build your own notes, own handwritten notes, and these will be a lifesaver for your revisions. All right, so now let's move on to quarter two, which covers September to November. So by now, you should have a solid grip on the basics. Now it's time to actually dive deep into the core subjects. Start focusing more on general studies papers like polity, geography, and economics. Pick up standard reference books now. For example, Lashmikant for polity, GC Leong for geography, and Ramesh Singh for economics. Spend 2 to 3 hours each day on these subjects and aim to complete one subject every month. Alongside, keep working on your current affairs and revision. A well organized current affairs notebook will be your best friend for the exam. So, now moving on to the third quarter, which covers from December to February. So, this is the time to focus on your optional subject and also start practicing answer writing. First things first, by now you should have selected your optional subject. Well, if you haven't yet, it's time to decide. Pick something that you're actually interested in and that aligns with your strengths. Start reading the core books for your optionals and cover the syllabus systematically. Try to complete the syllabus by the end of February. Alright, now here's a game changer. Answer writing practice. Start writing answers to the previous year's questions and evaluate them. Trust me, this will build your writing speed and also improve your answer writing structure. So by the end of third quarter, you should be done with the most of the general studies and optional subjects. Your focus should now shift to revision and regular answer writing. Finally, we come to the fourth quarter, the last stretch, which spans March to May. This is the crucial phase where everything falls into place. By now, your syllabus should be largely complete. It's time to revise everything, be it general studies, optional, and current affairs. Go through your notes, reread important chapters, and solidify your understanding. Also, start taking mock tests regularly. These will simulate the exam environment, helping you manage time and also improve your exam temperament. Also, don't forget about the mains answer writing practice. Start writing one answer every day and focus on improving your presentation, content, and analysis. Well, last but not the least, keep revising your current affairs notes daily. Make sure you're covering everything that could be relevant for the exam. And there you have it. This is a comprehensive 1 year UPSC preparation plan broken down into 4 quarters. Try to stick to this plan, stay consistent, and remember to trust the process. Remember, UPSC isn't just about hard work, it's also about smart work and strategic preparation. That's it for today's video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and strategies. Best of luck with your UPSC journey.